Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Dell Gaming G3 3515-inch FHD laptop. This is an awesome gaming laptop. Wow, this will bring our gaming experience on a new, brighter level. With an Intel Core i7-10750H 10th generation central processing unit, 16 GB of GDDR4 RAM, 512 GB SSD, wow, solid state disk, and an Nvidia Geforce GTX 1660 Ti with 6 GB of GDDR6 RAM random access memory with Windows 10 Home, and it comes in Eclipse Black. And of course, you will see a little bit of a nice designed laptop. That's really awesome. This is a new Dell G3 10th generation Intel Core i7. Wow, 12 megabyte cache, up to 5 gigahertz clock power with 6 cores. Windows 10 Home with 65-bit and a different bunch of languages. And Geforce, Nvidia GTX 1660 Ti. Wow, this is a brand new graphic unit on this. And up to 16 GB of GDDR4, 2933 megahertz RAM. These are two 8 GB slices of it. 512 GB M2 PCI Express in me solid state drive. This is so fast, really awesome. And Eclipse Black cover with MDP and Thunderbolt 3. Oh, this does not sound only really good. It is really good. If you are looking for a next level gaming system, this is the right choice. For example, we can play all modern games in full HD, and of course in a nice frame rate. Oh, that's really awesome. Oh. With 3D Mark TimeSpy score of 5650, this system is at next level of gaming class, which means we can comfortably play current 1080p games with high graphics settings. That's really awesome. And of course, about that, it's ready for virtual reality. Nice, isn't it? That's really nice. It's available with Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Pro if you like. Gaming is better than ever on Windows 10 with games in 4K, DirectX 12 and gameplay streaming. Oh, we can unleash pulse-raising action. When gaming gets critical, we can give our system a turbo boost that can be unleashed at a moment's notice. Easily activate by pressing Fn and the game shift key or Fn plus F7, okay, for not English keyboards. On the Dell G3 15's keyboard, the game shift triggers a dynamic performance mode within the Alienware command center without ever having to leave our gameplay. This maximizes the fan speed to keep our system cool while the processor works harder. Once we are ready to move along with our mission, we can hit Fn plus F7 again. One more time to return our system to its default status. And victories in the details. Striking graphics. With the Nvidia Geforce Discrete graphics, we can game at higher settings with crystal clear detail and smooth gameplay. This Nvidia Geforce graphics up to the RTX 2060 features a powerful core streaming multiprocessor that can handle the complex graphics of modern games while driving new shading advancements on improved power efficiency and memory that lasts. Experience the action in all its glory with faster loading times and a quieter system powered by the 6 GB GDDR6 or dedicated memory too. and we can get drawn in. Every detail of our game just got magnified thanks for an optional 144 hard display that's complemented by a two sides narrow bezel. Wow, that feature is super awesome. With the 10th gen Intel Core i7 processor, we can reveal in power performance without interrupting our gaming, streaming of videos. And it's cool to the touch. Our laptops is equipped with a dual fan cooling system to help spread out the heat and keep our system responsive. And reinforced Strange. Experience faster boot apps and more storage options with dual drivers with SSD options. Yeah. Of course, we can build in a second SSD in it and a standard HDD. And this style that intimidates. The Dell G3 15 gaming laptops features an all-new bold 21.6mm design with sleek color options. We can choose from Eclipse black or open white, finished with blue gaming accents. And as you can see, we choose the Eclipse black feature. And it's engineered to be adventure ready. That comes with vivid sounds. Dual speakers with Nahimic 3D audio for gamers let us hear every plan of attack with crisp clarity. And light it up, baby. The game clearly in low light settings with an optional 4-zone RGB backlit keyboard with WASD, for example, customizable through the Alienware command center, and stream without boundaries. Optional killer wireless 1650 prioritize the download of gaming content for seamless gaming, and power that lasts. We are not let our gaming revolve around the plug. Now we can quick charge our system with a 51 hour battery. Watt hour battery. And we have the Alienware command center on the Dell G series. That is for better gaming. They have crafted innovative software specifically designed to improve our gaming experience, fine-tune all our games and system settings, solve problems and manage time, and calibrate our controls. Now we have control over our hardware and software environments. Not only can our tailor the hardware for each and every game we play, we can personalize the space and setup to make our software look and feel precisely that way we want it, without interfering with our gameplay or other activities. And the ace is library science. The easy to use interface links all our favorite system settings with the gaming library. It makes it simple to access gaming information no matter what the source is. The command center gives us easily access to our games and the ability to fine-tune settings for each one, create unique game profiles, and it stays just how we want, no matter when we launch. And we have so many ports and slots. We have one standard SD card slot. We have an headset jack. We have a super speed USB 2.0 dock and two of them. Wedge lock slot and power in and 1660 Ti and above is a mini DP on board, HDMI 2.0 and super speed USB 3.2 generation. Slot 1650 and 1650 Ti will come with RJ45 Ethernet. And if you go above this, 1650, 1650 Ti, etc., USB-C display port and Thunderbolt. And it supports 40 gigabit per second Thunderbolt and display port. And the height is 21.6 millimeters. These are 0.8 5 inches. To the width is 365.5 millimeters. These are 14.4 inches. And the depth is 254 millimeters. These are 10 inches. And the starting weight is at 2.34 kilogram. These are 5.18 pound. Wow, this is an easy, good, use-able laptop from Dell, but this performing inside will perform you on the next level gaming slot. It's so awesome. For example, League of Legends, up to 210 frames, no problem. Fortnite, up to 190 frames per second. Rainbow Six Siege, 220 plus, no problem. Full HD 1080p, no problem. This system will handle this. This system will get your games in a new area, or it will bring yourself in a new area. And you can have more performance, more fun, and more games with the new Dell G3 15. Oh yeah. With a really nice 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor, Windows 10, and an Nvidia Geforce GTX 1660 Ti. That's awesome. And 16 gigabyte of RAM and 512 gigabyte of solid state drive. Oh, that's enough to have fun with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.